Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows worm infestation in the gut loops. This is an incidental finding. The patient was being scanned for the localization of the ureteric stone, and incidentally the worm infestation was seen. Ascaris lumbricoides, possibly Ascaris lumbricoides is visible. You can see the scanning of the left ureter. The left kidney shows hydronephrosis with hydronephrosis. Now you can see the urinary bladder along with the localization of the ureter, and a stone is seen in the lower one-third, in the distal one-third of the left ureter. And this stone was measured about 10 millimeter, that is 1 centimeter. You can see this is the left ureter and this is the stone. The worm infestation was incidentally found during the scanning of the ureter. Ultrasound offers a rapid, safe, and a non-invasive approach to the diagnosis of intestinal ascariasis. Ultrasound is also a modality of choice for diagnosis of hepatobiliary ascariasis, which is relatively rare and is due to migration of the intestinal worm through the papilla of Vater. Ultrasound will depict the adult worm as a hypoechoic tubulous structure. As you can see in this case, this is the worm infestation. This is the Ascaris lumbricoides, and this worm was crossing the ureter and the ureteric stone interiorly. The ultrasound will depict the adult ultrasound as hypoechoic tubular structure with well-defined echogenic walls. During real-time evaluation, the worm can be seen making curling movements, but this worm seems to be impacted in the gut loops. No movements were actually visible in this case, and the whole of the adult worm is very difficult to focus. You can see a part of the worm seen in the left side of the lower abdominal cavity. Ascariasis is an infection with the Ascaris lumbricoides adult worm and is typically and causes with gastrointestinal or pulmonary symptoms, and depending on the stage of the disease development. Clinical presentation of Ascaris lumbricoides is widely distributed in tropical and subtropical regions and other humid areas. Approximately 1/4 of the world's population is infected with this disease at any time. At any time of the life. It is much less common in developed countries and relatively rare in United States. The clinical in manifestations of the, you can see this, the adult Ascaris lumbricoides. Clinical and manifestations, presentations vary according to the stage of the life cycle of the infection. The gastrointestinal manifestations are, these manifestations are due to adult worms. The most common complication of ascariasis is mechanical small bowel obstruction caused by a large number of worms. A large worm bolus may also cause volvulus or interception. Now, infestation with this worm may also cause other complications, including acute appendicitis, pancreatitis, acute cholecystitis, and liver abscess. Rare complications include cardiac tamponade and airway obstruction. Adult worm may be passed through the anus through the mouth while vomiting. Now, the pulmonary manifestations occur in 5 to 26 days following ingestion of the viable eggs. Now, Ascaris Pneumonia may develop and consist of migratory, transient, localized intra-alveolar inflammatory reactions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.